Let's go right to the point on how to install MySQL. Open your web browser and go to the official MySQL website, www.mysql.com. Click on Downloads, scroll down, then click MySQL Community Open Source License Downloads. Click on MySQL Installer for Windows. Choose your operating system and download the MySQL installer, then follow my steps. Wait for the download to finish, then double-click the installer file. Launch the installer and follow the prompts to select the setup type. Set up your root password and configure MySQL Server as needed. Once the setup is done, MySQL is installed and ready to use.